You have plenty of gifts. No, different kinds. You have toys, you have shoes, you have clothes, you have diapers, you have picture frames, you have backpack, you have pillows, you have eating sets, bottles, feeding bottles, baby scrapbook. You know, dami. Yeah, you say thank you naman to them. Thank you, dear ninongs and ninangs and friends and relatives who attended my baptism. Thank you for the gifts. Oh, yes. 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 Thank you, everyone. I hope you enjoyed my baptism. Diva? Yes. 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 Oh, oh. You were very happy, no? You had plenty of visitors. Yes. Yes. No. Oh. Kisses, 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 kisses. Yes. Kisses, kisses, kisses. Namumula. Namumula ka na naman. Kiss, 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 kiss. Kiss, 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 kiss. Oh. Hmm. No. Oh, yes. We love you, Joshua. Mommy, Daddy loves you very much, baby. Kiss, 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 yes. Kiss, 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 kiss. Plenty of kisses, plenty of kisses. Yes. Kausapin mo pa? Nagaan siya. Ah! Diba good mood na eh, no?
Ano ko pang 1-year-old to eh, di ba?
Which one? 12 months.
Pambiyahin ako, pogi ka dito.
Yeah, when you visit mommy in Dubai, no?
12 months.
Around December or January or March na sleepy na. You say bye-bye na. Bye-bye, people. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Magagamit na yan.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Kasya na ba yung shoes? Hindi pa. Hindi pa. Hindi pa. Kulang pa. Kunti pa. Adidas shoes. Na. Oh. Oh. Oh.
Dati pa pa yun.
Ha?
Madali pa.
You have plenty of gifts. What can you say? Huh? What can you say, baby? Oh, okay. Okay, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye, everyone. I'm going to sleep now.